So if we want to see if something is true or false, we will use a Boolean value, and I'll just equals to true, okay, and okay, which is a short for Boolean, x, which is my number, and it will print true. So it will print whatever the x is. If I replace this with false, uh, the x number which is false, okay, it will still return to false, because it will still have false because there's nothing on it, okay. And if I have it like 0, the x value to be 0 0.0, it will return again, it will return false. If I have, for example, it will print true because there is something, there's a string, or there's something, there's a value of x, so it will print true. So it will only print true if there is a value of x like that, or, and it will print true. Otherwise, if x has no value, just the brackets, for example, it will be true, but a zero value will be false, and if it's true or false, okay.